Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. How could I forget that I had given her an interest all this time?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to achieve these gorgeous twists using Xpression braiding hair. Whether you're looking for a protective hairstyle or a fresh new look, this tutorial got you covered. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off with freshly washed, blow-dried hair. I also love to pass the hair grease on my hair strands, especially when I'm doing protective hairstyles, because it acts like a protective shield on your hair against the synthetic hair rubbing against to prevent split ends and hair loss. I like to pre-part my hair just so I can move faster, and also while I'm sitting at my vanity watching a show, I don't have to worry about my parts being crooked because I do have this 3-fold mirror in the bathroom. I'll part my hair from ear to ear. Then I like to part it down the middle.
To receive it. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you.
To start off, I'm applying the braiding gel directly onto the parts to keep everything sleek and neat. Next, I'm grabbing my Xpression hair and separating it into 3 sections. This is going to make it easier to start the braid and keep it even. I begin braiding by feeding in the hair and securing the base. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in. After braiding about 3 to 5 braid downs, I transition into twisting. Now for the twist. I'm using Xtreme hair gel to keep the hair smooth and frizz-free. When twisting, you want to twist each strand into the opposite direction before wrapping them over each other. This helps the twist stay tight and last longer. A little tip, if the hair starts to feel dry while twisting, don't be afraid to grab more gel. This will keep the twist looking sleek and prevent frizz. Once I reach the end, I trim any stray hairs and do a twirling motion with my fingers to seal the twist. Now that the twists are done, I'm applying a lot of body hair loose all over to set the style and add extra shine.
Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creeping with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra all this time?
And that is it, y'all. These twists came out sleek and lightweight, perfect for any occasion. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this hairstyle and if you'll be trying it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye, loves.